Good morning, everyone. My name is Sayak Sarkar. I'm a student of this college. Uh, so, Basically, I started with Mozilla last year during the same event, and I mostly work on webmaker and localization related stuff. Uh, when it comes to why I chose Mozilla, the fundamental reason behind it being that it's a very open community. Uh, you can directly interact with the staff, the corporation, everyone, but at the same time you never feel left out. And if you, we have a policy of meritocracy rather than bureaucracy. So if you do some work over here, you are actually recognized. So that's one of the main reasons why I chose Mozilla. When it, Currently, I'm an intern at Mozilla Foundation. I'm doing an internship with the Mozilla Global Events team, and I'm also working on developing the next set of tools for the Webmaker initiative. So for 2013, the main things that I'm excited about are one, the next set of Webmaker tools that are going to be released sometime during the next couple of months. Plus, we have the Mozilla Reps program as well as the Mozilla Webmaker initiative coming closer. So that's a really exciting thing that we are currently working on. And for Mozilla India, the really exciting part is we have a large number of developer activities coming up. We have a large number of developer events planned, and we have a very strong student community at this moment, which is looking to grow even beyond what we had initially thought. So that is really, really exciting. Next, for the software analysis, strengths. So the main strengths that I see as part of Mozilla India is that it's a very diverse community, which means that there's a lot of flavor, there's a lot of contrast, as well as very different languages, different cultures all coming together. So that's something really wonderful, and that's also the strength of our community. There is a strong presence of the Mozilla reps. We have like 34 Mozilla reps. So we have around 34 Mozilla reps throughout India, which is quite a high number, and that says a lot about it. We have a very strong community presence. If you see in Pune, in Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, and now in Calcutta, we have very active and very strong communities which are working which are really doing awesome things. Then again, the presence in the student community. The students are really the backbone of the Mozilla India community at this moment. If you see, most of the volunteers we have in this room are students. Maybe some are just graduated from being students to maybe working somewhere or interning, but the main work that is carried out over here is primarily by students. There's a very strong leadership currently, because since everyone has been working from the level 0 to doing more and more and more, everyone has a good understanding of how things work and how to go about things. So that is a real strength. Next, we come to the weaknesses. The main weakness that we faced last year was there was a strong tendency to work in small clusters. Because one of the things, main reasons behind it being the cultural and regional differences. People usually like to communicate with the people who actually understand their mindset completely. So that actually resulted in kind of a regionalization. But then again, that was something that we actually can overcome very easily. And we have actually done a lot in that respect. All the regional communities are now coming together. another major weakness that we have is the size of the community. Our community is a really large community. We have uh, different. We have a large number of community members all over India coordinating work among everyone and making sure that nobody is unhappy is a really uphill task which we try to do. Um, Coordination of work, again, it comes down to the single fact that we are a very large community. We try to coordinate as much as possible, but at times it may take us a bit more time than we would like to. Threats, well, I don't really have much to say about threats because the only thing that I could find is since we have a very diverse, very diverse community, we need to actually think a lot about the regional community sensitivities and handle them carefully. Some people may have some things that some people may do some things which may actually be offensive to others, but they don't know that maybe they are offending other people. So we need to be careful that we don't actually that we actually have to respect everyone's sensitivities. Opportunity, well, we have a very good opportunity at this moment to expand the community even further. Since all the regional communities are now coming together, everyone is working together, so we have a very large potential of growing beyond just being just another community to something really exceptional. We can actually show that that this diverseness can actually be a very positive thing, and we can actually use that to further the needs of the community. And that's it. Thank you.
Next, Priyanka. You can use this one.
I think this one.
Okay. Also, Gautamraj, can you check the time? Like, just keep track of the time. Maybe how much time should we give for this whole thing?
5 questions, 5 minutes.
5 questions, 5 minutes is fine? Okay. So once they cross the 5 minutes, just shut them.
Good morning, everyone. I am Priyanka Nath. I am a student of this college, doing in my first year of MSc post-graduation. I am basically a Bengali from Kolkata. Why I chose Mozilla? I have joined Mozilla, joined this open source world, if I can say, just 6 months back, not even 6 months. And other than the Wikipedia pages editing and stuff, I had never actually contributed to any FOSS project before Mozilla. So my first step into this world was with Mozilla during the Moz Carnival event when Ankit and Sayak actually introduced me to Mozilla. And once introduced to this world, I saw how much fun working here was. I mean, I wasn't very used to this out of office working remotely and collaboratively, and how much fun it could be. So once I was into it, I was just into it. So I had so much fun working for Moz Carnival, and then I just couldn't leave Mozilla. So I ended up being here. So what I work on at Mozilla, I have done a bit of localization stuff and taken up a few projects of documentation which I actually haven't finished yet, so they're pending. What I'm excited for in 2013, obviously Firefox OS is one thing we all are excited about in 2013. Other than that, yeah, the Nepal event coming up next week, I'm really excited about that. Those are 2 things I'm looking forward to right now. So coming to the SWOT analysis of Mozilla India. So according to me, the strengths are, as already mentioned, we have a very strong community. I mean, I am working with, I am partly involved with the Wikipedia community as well right now, but Mozilla community is one of the very rare communities where we have so many people working together, where almost everyone knows each other, because we have so many events, we have so many meetups, almost everyone knows everyone else. So that's one very strong point with this community. Then actually, because we have a very strong community, or a huge number of members in this community, we somehow managed to have a whole lot of events. I mean, yesterday only someone had posted that someone wants to be in Asia because it ends up having one event every second day. So that's something really to be proud about. Community members come from a variety of domains. I mean, the Indian community members, they are from so many different domains. Not everyone is a technical person over here. So that's a very big strength. I mean, we can actually take up so many different kind of projects and work on it. Coming to weaknesses, what I think is we somehow, I don't know, at least I think we somehow lack that one goal, or not all members of the community know exactly what they're supposed to do. I mean, we take up a project in hand, we take up an event in hand, we work for the event is over, the work is over. But I, as an individual, what are my responsibilities in the community, kind of that part is lacking. I mean, I don't know, I'm not very sure if everyone is very sure about what their part in the community is. So that is something we can work upon. Each person can be given one responsibility, so the work division can be done really well, since we have so many people and so much of strength over here. Opportunities again, the same thing can be, okay. So again, we can use our weakness as our opportunity, that since we have so many people from different domains, we can just give each individual some specific responsibility and task, and expect that person to take help from others and complete that specific task or goal.
Thank you. So next, Shahid.
Hi, good morning everyone. I am Shahid. I am working with the Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Kolkata, as a scientist dean. I have been associated with Mozilla Foundation for more than 1.5 years. Before joining Mozilla, basically I served as Opera campus crew for 2 years, and I am very much involved in various FOSS communities across the country. And yeah, so after spending a lot of time in FOSS community, what I come to know that Mozilla is the most active community in the world, in FOSS community basically in the world. And the organizational structure, hierarchy, team management is just awesome. There are lots of scope to contribute in various Mozilla projects. I am basically involved in localization in Urdu and Hindi. In fact, we have already announced one online hackathon on 24th February this month. And Mozilla is basically, I am also taking a session on localization in Allahabad Mosque, which is going to be held on 30th of March. And then I am building a Firefox apps for train tracking system. Basically, I am trying to integrate rail radar system. So we can include all the train which has a GPS system. Okay, so what I am excited for 2013? Okay. So I am very excited to build a very strong community in Durgapur, Allahabad, in Mumbai, very specifically in IIT Bombay, and in and around Kolkata. So what I need to say with the strong community basically consists MSR and Reps community with good balance of event management, basically event managers and developers for various projects. So if you have any question, so you can raise. Thank you.
Dwaraka?
Dwarka, you might be knowing me. I'm from Chennai. I'm doing my engineering final year of graduation there. I'm doing my final semester there. And I come from SSM College of Engineering, if some of you know that. And I represent the Chennai community and more specifically the Mozilla India community. Well, that's regarding my introduction. Why I chose Mozilla, I mean, much of us, why we come into this Mozilla or the FOSS world is because like we tend to like open source. I mean, the real motive of me joining Mozilla is we try to promote open source. We want people to know what open source is all about and this community spirit. And yeah, we join for fun, we join for friends, all that's there. But yeah, we want people to know what really this means, why we do all this. I mean, what really open source means to us and the open web movement as such. And Mozilla gives us a really good platform for us to Mozilla gives us a really good platform to explore the world of FOSS and promote the open source activities. And the best part is Mozilla is continuously promoting not just much of open source communities, maybe correct me if I'm wrong, try to promote their projects and products, but Mozilla is not like that. It tries to sponsor events for other community events as well. It tries to coordinate with other community members, and much of the time, we make friends with maybe Wikipedia people or Fedora project, and thanks to Mozilla, I mean, once it's like your perfect gateway into contribution to open source. And it also provides opportunities. And what people might think is that when it comes to open source, you only need to know, for a layman, people might think, okay, for open source contribution, you need to be a coder or a very good, a hacker or something like that. But Mozilla, is promoting other people also. You don't need to be an engineer. You don't need to be extremely good at coding. All you need is interest, and you need to understand what we stand for. And they also promote designers. They promote. We also have doctors and other people in Mozilla community. That's really the best part of Mozilla, and that's why I chose Mozilla. And to be frank, I didn't know much of all this when I joined, but once I joined, I came to know this. I'm really happy about it. And what I work on Mozilla is I currently work with student reps, and I try to promote them. And I also work in Nemo project. If you don't know what it is, it's like News Mozilla project. It's about taking the taking the message of open source and other activities and in general FOSS things, and more specifically what Mozilla is trying to do to people in a way that they can understand very easily. And I'm excited for 2013 is because we have the student reps program coming up. And this year, with regard to Mozilla, this is the year of development. So we have a lot of development activities coming in. Given that we also have the Firefox OS app days that we had in Bangalore, and hopefully we'll have more developer events in the coming days. And also we have a vibrant Chennai community thanks to Gautam Raj, Naresh, and the others. We are also missing out a few people here from the Chennai community, but then we have a vibrant community growing up there, and I'm happy to see that. And we will hopefully have more events in Chennai community in the coming days. Yeah, regarding the SWOT analysis, I don't have much points to add from what Sayak and Priyanka said, but another thing is we have the vibrant community, enthusiastic, energetic, helping, etc., all this good. But weakness is that we need to channelize our enthusiasm for, we need to channelize our enthusiasm in the sense that whenever people want to join Mozilla, they try to do, I'm enthusiastic, give me something to do, give me something to work on, is what I think is people's mentality. And if there is a way for us to properly channelize this enthusiasm, we have ample opportunities to grow. And opportunities is, the strategic and geographical location of India. We dominate the Southeastern Asia region, and it gives us enough opportunities to coordinate and work with the other local communities like Nepal and Malaysia, etc. And we have more number of languages, so that we can take up more projects to work on. We have enough stuff to work in localization and machine learning, and we have we conduct a lot of events in the recent days, and thanks to reps for that. Threats, I guess it's only the inactive community members that we need to focus on. Thank you.
anyone here have a camera with recording option, video recording option? Is there video recording option in that? Is it fully charged?
Yes.
Okay. Thanks. I have one.